huge one. We are amazed, and everyone who tries to take part, every team wants to be a part of it to win and lift the trophy. Before I end, I would like to congratulate the police department for taking this good initiative of starting this police cup. And it's not only a tournament which they want to project, but it's an initiative where they want to build relations with the community to show that we laymen along with the organization can work together. And this is a game which has brought us together. So with this, I would like to thank the organizing team of police, especially Bosco George, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to be here.
First half, boys were, I think, we could beat under pressure. But second half we played well. We missed a lot of chances. And in the end, the result came out. The boys have worked really hard, put in a lot of efforts along with their coaching staff. And it's the hard work of maybe more than 3 years. All of them, almost 90% of the squad is with us. So it's not a one day. It's a long process. We are happy with that.
Just tell the name.
My name is Melroy Mora. I am team manager at operations head for Sesa Football.
It's a great day in the world of sports because Goa Police organized this cup to promote the spirit of sports in the state. And the credit goes to Mr. Bosco George, who restarted when I was Inspector General of Police here. And in between there was interregnum of 2 years because of the pandemic, and now we are happy that once again we are able to gather here, collect here and play the sport in the right spirit of the sport. I congratulate the winners team, Sesa Goa, and also congratulate the runners-up team. And number of teams participated and they played the game in the right spirit of brotherhood and fairness. And today's game was excellent. Though I could not see all the matches, but I've been told that the competition was very stiff, and all the teams were very good. And I'm sure that Goa Police will continue to promote the culture of sports by organizing Goa Police Cup. And I'm sure that our sponsors, our other supporters, spectators will continue to patronage Goa Police and ensure the success of future tournaments. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.